Right, just a little test video of Tomy Trackmaster Percy Talk and Action train that is listed on eBay, just to show you that it does work. So if you've been directed here from eBay with the link, here is said video of it working. The green piece of track, when he goes over them, activates him to make different noises, talk, even speed up at some points and slam the brakes on. So let's see how he goes. Click the switch.